Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be the best drugstore skincare starter kit. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. The first product I have is La Roche-Posay Gentle Cleansing Oil. This gentle cleansing oil, it does an amazing job. What it does, it hydrates your skin. I have used this about 3 or 4 times and a lot. See, I use so much of this and a lot is still remaining, which is definitely worth. This retails for $10.99. You can find this at Ulta Beauty, Target. It is amazing. So the reason why I like this, because most cleansers dry up your skin, but in this one it doesn't. So as you apply this on and you blend on your skin, it gets rid of the dirt and makeup that's on your skin, but also leaving your skin hydrated and not dry. Yes, not dry. It leaves your skin hydrating. So hydrating that if you want, you could definitely put on a moisturizer right away, but in this case, like as soon as you rinse this off on your face will feel hydrated. It won't feel tight like most drugstore cleanser to leave your skin tight and dry. This doesn't do it at all. Next I have is a lip product. I have is Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean Lip Balm. It's a moisturizing lip balm that smells like fresh vanilla. I just really like it. So this one I have used for a long time. This one is perfect to put in your skincare starter kit if you're looking for a drugstore lip balm and you don't know which one to choose at the drugstore. This is the perfect one. First thing I like about it is the second thing is that it gets rid of the dryness that's on your lip, leaving your lips hydrating and moist. And I just really like it. They come in 5 in a pack. You can find it at all drugstores. Now I have is a moisturizer. So I have is the E.L.F Skin Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer. This one is a must-have in your skincare starter kit, because why? This retails for $18 and you can see it's worth it, because look how big is this and tall. You can see that it's definitely worth it. So the number one thing about this, that it has hyaluronic acid and it has jojoba oil, which will help get rid of the dryness that's on your skin, and is suitable for all skin types. Leave your skin hydrating, moist, and plump. That is what you need now for the winter. So I definitely highly recommend this. If you guys love the E.L.F line, this is a must-have to be in your skincare starter kit. Lastly, I have tried many vitamin C serums for my skin, and the one that I tried that is very affordable is this Essence Hello Good Stuff Glow C Serum. This is amazing. I love the fact that Essence is normally famous for their makeup, but then their skincare, they came out with their skincare line, which I was very surprised about, and I really like, because it's super affordable. It only retails $5. Yes, $5, super affordable, and this does an amazing job. So you apply this, mix this with your moisturizer, or you could use it alone, and it definitely helps get rid of the dark spots that's on your skin, and also helps brighten your skin. This is a must-have and it's suitable for all skin types. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this drugstore starter skincare kit. If you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here, and I'll see you in my next video.